Revive and Thrive is designed to restore and protect all of your vehicle's plastics, vinyl, and leather without the greasy residue or silicones. To use Revive and Thrive as a trim care, you'll want to make sure that heavy dirt and debris are removed prior to use. Spray Revive and Thrive directly onto the working surface. For best results, use the Level Finish Amazing Reviving Pad or the ARP pad to work in Revive and Thrive and remove any leftover debris, making sure to cover the working surface entirely. Notice how well the texture of the plastic is clean and rejuvenated while using the combination of Revive and Thrive and the ARP pad. After working surface is scrubbed and completely covered with Revive and Thrive, remove the excess with a microfiber towel by massaging with the towel until dry to the touch. Notice the sheen and non-greasy feel, long-lasting protection that is not simply washed off with water. Revive and Thrive is also a wonderful product for your leather and vinyl. What you'll first want to do is if there's any heavy dirt or debris, you'll remove those prior to use. Then spray Revive and Thrive directly onto working surface. For best results, use the Level Finish ARP pad to work in Revive and Thrive and remove any leftover debris, making sure to cover the working surface entirely. Now notice how well the texture of the leather and vinyl is cleaned and rejuvenated while using the combination of the Revive and Thrive and the ARP pad. After the working surface is scrubbed and completely covered with Revive and Thrive, remove excess with clean microfiber towel by massaging the towel until dry to the touch. Notice an even, non-greasy feel. A long-lasting protection and sheen is left behind that doesn't have a slippery feel for a very comfortable ride.